of Islam is zakah. Zakah means to purify. It means growth. And in Islam, every rich person who has a saving of more than the nisab level, more than 85 grams of gold, he or she should give 2.5% of that saving every lunar year in charity. If every rich human being gives zakat, poverty will eradicate from this world. There will not be a single human being who will die of hunger. As mentioned in the Quran in Surah Al-Hashr, chapter 59, verse number 7, that zakat had been prescribed so that it prevents the wealth from circulating amongst the rich. Zakat, obligatory charity, has been prescribed so that it prevents the wealth from circulating only amongst the rich. And the same guidance is given in 1 Peter, chapter number 4, verse number 8, that give fervent charity, for charity covers up multitude of sins. The fourth pillar